So let me show you how you can turn your resume, your CV, or anything into a website like this, a fully blown website landing page that you can send to your anybody at all. I mean, I'm going to show you how you can build this. As you can see, this is for me AI with Enoch. Yeah. So first of all, you're going to need any vibe coding platform. I think we can go with Google AI Studio because they have the Gemini 3 Pro over there for free, and the main goal of this is to show you how to do it for free. So yeah, we are going to go with Google AI Studio, and you also need to create an account on Netlify. You just go and create an account with your Google drivers, Google Gmail. It's very simple. Yeah, so you just go there, and after that, you also need GitHub. Okay, all these platforms are free. GitHub is also, it's just like Google Docs for code. All right, and you don't need to understand any of this, so you don't worry. Yeah, so you just create an account. So after you create account on these two platforms, GitHub, you come, and also you need your, of course you need your CV, that PDF of it. And when you come into Google AI Studio, you see this right here, build, right? So you tap on the build, and this is something that if you want to build your if you want to build your personal portfolio website or something like that, or landing page from scratch, you need to be paid something from anything above $1,000. And I'm going to show you how to do it for free. All right, so you need an account, Netlify. You need an account on GitHub. So when you come in here, you first of all upload your CV. I have an imaginary one here. That is what I'm going to use. Where is it? Okay, this is my imaginary CV, and I have my prompt here. If you want this prompt, you can comment community, and I will send it to you. Okay, I'll send the link to join. I have all the prompts there, but you can just go with your own prompts. I've just engineered this right here, but you can go with any of your prompts, or you can just say turn this PDF or turn my resume into a landing page or a website, an interactive one. Yeah. So interactive, interactive one, can just, and then after it builds, you can keep reiterating it to how you like. But this is what I'm going to go. So I'm just going to tap on build, and you are doing this for free inside Google AI Studio. If you have a Google account, you can just go and do that. Your prompt doesn't have to be plenty like this. Yeah. So it is building, and I'm sure by now you have your GitHub ready, you have your Netlify ready. Just go to netlify.com, or you can just search for Netlify, create an account, search for GitHub. The reason why we need this is because we want it for free. So we'll push it to GitHub. We can see over here, and then after we can pull our website from GitHub so that we can get a live domain, and we can share with anybody at all. And even if you want to buy a domain, you can still buy it, and then it will not be, you see, this is AI with Enoch.netlify.app, but you can actually make it AI with Enoch.app, you know. Yeah. So that is if you want to pay for something, but I'm just showing you how to do this for free. But it still works, whether net.netlify.app or .app, it still works. So let's see how it works. It will pull whatever information from the PDF and try to create a website for us. So that's it. Let's see how it goes. But no matter what happens, if the outcome is not something you are pleased with, it's just a matter of prompt. And even in Google AI Studio, they have this annotation here. You can tap on it, tap on this rectangle, and just choose the part, choose the part you want, and just type, and it will solve it for you. But I'll take that later. All right. So it is putting in, and we are using the Gemini 3 Pro for free inside Google AI Studio. So nothing is showing in preview. So I sent it a message in case you encounter this. Just say nothing showing in preview. It's gonna handle everything. I don't know why it's happening this time around, but maybe I don't know, but it's gonna handle everything for you. So it is thinking. Oh my days. I think I have to turn this off. Okay, so it took some time to load. You are not. Damn, boy. Damn. I think this one alone is. In fact, this is crazy, bro. Okay, so I had to cancel the. I don't know. Maybe it took time to load. Let me put screen so you see what's up. So you can see. I can change this image if you wanna. You know, you can change it. You can download the CV. You can view portfolio. See, I've turned it. If you want someone to build this for you, is we are talking about $1,000, bro. But you are doing it for free. So let me be quick with it. So this is just from one prompt. If you want my prompt, you can just comment community and I'll give it to you. So now you come to the top right here. You tap on save to GitHub. Now you now say you give your repository a name or where let me say my CV sites. Okay. My CV site. My CV. Oh, the description for your repository. I can say my CV. Then you leave it to private. Okay, and then you create your GitHub repository down right here. So now that means now your code or your website has been pushed to GitHub, right? So just you come here and say stage and commit. So to push all your code. So you see that when I come into GitHub right here, when I refresh, I'm going to see my sites, my CV site over here. So let's see if it is done. Okay. GitHub. Okay. So you have the link here, or you can just come into GitHub. So when I come into when I come into GitHub, I'll see when I've refreshed. So can see, okay, show more. Okay, so you see my CV site. Now we don't have to go through all the code and everything. Yeah, we don't have time for that. So we just go into Netlify. So when you go into Netlify, you see you have probably created your account and everything. So when you come to project, you see everything here, and then you come to add new project. So when you come to add new project, you see import an existing project. Okay, so where are you imported in from? We are importing it from GitHub. So we tap on GitHub, and then you do some authorizations. If you haven't, it's just a matter of clicks. So don't worry. Yes, and you see, I have a whole lot of things here. Inventory, LLM cancel, my CV. Yes, my CV site, or you can just go ahead and search it from here. So I'll just say, what is it? Okay, my CV site, project name. Let me just say CV. Okay. So the project name is like your website. So let me say Dr. Enoch. Of course, I'm a doctor, man. All right. So you get everything. Don't touch anything. No, I beg. Just write your this one, and then you go. And also make sure that over here, what you are choosing, the project's name, is something that you love to be a .com. Maybe you want to do a vanessa.com, or let me say kwame.com. Make sure it's a website domain that you can actually buy if in case you want to buy in the future. But yeah, that's just by the way. And then you come to deploy branch. So when you tap on deploy branch, there you go. Oh, whoa. So it is going to deploy. It's going to take some time, not so long, but it's going to take some time. How many minutes? 5. Okay. It's going to take some time to deploy, but it will come very soon. Let me just refresh. I don't think we have too much code in there. So when it deploys, you are now going to get your link. Woo! Congratulations. And even if you want to buy a domain, it's like $7 a month or something. Okay. It project has not been okay, has not yet been the my heart. I thought they canceled my project, bro. So it is still in the pipeline, like how politicians will say. So it's going to take some time. Let's wait and see. Woo! Okay. Yeah, okay. So you see drenoch.netlify.app. So you can tap on this. So now this is the link to your resume website. And you can go back in Google AI Studio and reiterate as many times as you want. So you see this right here. This is real stuff, bro. So initiate contact. You can go into in Google AI Studio and say, okay, when they tap on initiate contact, it should open this link. Okay, when they tap on projects, it should open this link. When they tap on call, it should call me. When they tap on LinkedIn, it should open my LinkedIn. This is the link to my LinkedIn, and you can go on and on. And if you are someone like me that typing, there's a voice mode here. You can just voice mode your voice mode your life away. Okay, so that is it. You have your website with a link here. Now, if you want to buy, let me check my time right here. If you want to buy a domain, when you open your project, you can come down to domain management right here, and I tell you the domain they are very cheap. So buy a new domain. If you have a domain already, you can just like say Dr. Enoch of .app. Okay, so I can just search it and see. So Dr. Enoch.app is $11 a year, and if I'm buying it for the first year, is it's like 11. Let me see, $12. If it's renewed, it's like $25 for the whole year. I think this is good, bro. This is good. But if you want .com, yeah, there are a whole lot of it there, but you can just tap on it and buy your domain. But the goal is, if you need help to buy, I can just guide you. But the goal of this video is to show you how to do this for free. So guys, let me know what you want. And if you want, I have a couple of prompts in my community aside the one I use there. If you want it, you can just comment community and I'll add you for free. For now, see you later. I love you. This is from Dr. Alexander. Damn shit, bro.